Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will teach you that how to create a glowing lamp in PowerPoint. First of all, I will select a new blank presentation. So this is a blank presentation. I'm deleting these title boxes. So okay, now I'm going to change the color, background color of this particular slide. I will click the black color here. This is a black color. Okay, now I will insert a shape. Next I will insert one more shape. It will be the curved shape. This one. I am copying it by pressing Ctrl C and pasting by pressing Ctrl V, like this. Now I'm going to insert one more shape. It is okay. I will select this shape. Now rotating it. One is here and one is here. Okay, now we have two lamps. Now I will insert one more shape. It will be oval shape. So with this shape I will create bulb like this. Control C and Control V. Okay. Now I'm going to change the color. These shapes. This color in bulbs. I will first I will send it backward. Send it backward. So I'm going to give color yellow and this one will be red. Okay, so now again I'm inserting one more shape. This one I'm rotating it. I'm copying it. So I'm going to give color it. Go to more colors. Custom. I'm giving color. This is a yellow bulb. So I will select a light yellow color here. So I'm pressing OK here. Increase my transparency. So like this it will look. And the next color is red. So I'm selecting red color here and go to the more colors. I'm selecting light red color. Custom. Okay, this one. Okay, so actually this is another particle color. I am going to more colors, custom. Okay, so here I'm increasing the transparency. Yes. So now I have done everything. So I am making the duplicate of this slide. You can press Ctrl D, and you can also make duplicate slide by pressing right click. So I'm making a duplicate slide. So this is our first slide, this is second slide. So I will click on the first slide, and what I do, mm, okay, I will do this thing. No fill, no fill. Okay, I fill the white color here, and I also fill the white color. Okay, I'm getting two more shapes here. Inserting the rectangular shape, first shape, one shape is here, and this one is a second. So I'm going to change the color of these shapes. Right click, and I will fill here this color. Now I'm inserting button. So again I will go here, and I will select little bit this one. Okay, so I am giving the color red. So I'm making a group of these three things by pressing Ctrl G, and you can also make the group from here. Okay, this is a Ctrl G. I'm copying it, and I will paste here. Okay, so here I will change the color. It will be green. Okay, so what I do now, uh, I am creating the link of these two slides with each other. I will press here and go to the insert button, and this is the action button. So I will select the action button and click on the hyperlink. Here I will select the slide. So yeah, it will be second slide will be linked with the slide one. It's okay. Okay, now click on, go to the first slide and click on the button, create a action here. So I'm going to give the hyperlink to this slide also. Click here and go to the slide, and here I will press slide 2. Okay, so everything is ready. So let's have a look. um, See, as I press button works and lights gets on. If you like this video tutorial, kindly subscribe my channel.